smack those like and subscribe buttons around, and let's get into this exciting announcement. Now, for those of you who want to know a bit more about me, my name is Josh Baldwin. I am 26 years old, and I work full-time at an aerospace engineering company in San Diego, and I've also been, for the last 6 months, doing YouTube on the side. Now, to give you guys a bit of history on my real estate portfolio, I started investing in real estate around 8 months ago in October of 2020 when I was 25. My first purchase was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single-unit condo in my hometown of San Diego, in which I paid 5% of the home price as a down payment using a conventional loan by Fannie Mae. Now, this will be my first video in this series where I'll be walking you guys through an entire real-life real estate deal from start to finish and essentially teach you guys the steps so you can go ahead and do this yourself. And the way I'll be doing that is by documenting my second official real estate deal in real time as an example. Now, the very first step to buying your first home, before you even start searching for homes, as you may have already guessed by the title of this video, is to pick a good realtor and get your grubby little hands on a pre-approval letter. Just kidding, I don't think your guys' hands are grubby. I bet they smell like Dove soap. All right, so first of all, what the heck is a pre-approval letter and what does it mean? A pre-approval letter is essentially a document or a letter from your lender that says, I, John Smith, am pre-approved up to X dollar amount. This letter is based on assumptions from a number of financial factors such as income, credit score, debt balance, and so forth. In other words, a pre-approval letter is essentially your golden ticket to go and shop for homes in your desired price range. All right, so for example, say your pre-approval letter says, based on your financial stats, you qualify for a $400,000 loan. That means you now have the approval to go ahead and shop for homes priced at $400,000 or less, and in some cases slightly higher when you take advantage of things like seller credits. All right, so we've defined what a pre-approval letter is, so how do we get one? The first step is to call your lender. If you don't have a lender, the most easy way and ideal way to locate a good lender is by actually getting one recommended to you by an experienced realtor. The keyword there is experienced, and as in any profession, that means number of years in service. For real estate, an experienced realtor will have at least 15 years under their belt. So do a search for realtors in your area. Typically, they'll be on a website from a broker, and they'll normally have some sort of biography you can read where they'll say how many years experience they have. The reason this is the best approach is because lenders often generate a lot of referral business for real estate agents and vice versa. So the most ideal setup you can create in any real estate deal is by choosing experienced people to work with you who know each other personally and have a financial incentive to help each other. You'll want both. This way, you double their level of obligation and responsibility to execute the deal successfully. They are now pressured by both their client's demands and their motivation to prove to their buddy that they work hard and that they're a reliable business partner. In fact, this is exactly what I did with my first real estate deal. I knew that I needed my pre-approval letter to even have the ability to shop for homes in the first place. So the first move I made was by searching online in my local area for good realtors. And up pops one with 17 years of experience. From there, that realtor was able to get me in touch with his business contact, an experienced lender, who ended up fully financing my first ever home loan just a few weeks later. All right, so that wraps up the first episode on the steps to buying a home. Stay tuned for next week where I'll be going over the next set of steps in the home buying process. Be sure to tap that subscribe button and post notification bell so you don't miss out.